In this video, you will learn how to convert units of length. You have already learned about these basic units of length. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. You can see that meter is the biggest unit and millimeter is the smallest unit. You normally pick a unit which is the most appropriate for the measurement you are doing. If you are measuring long distances, you would use a large unit like meter. If you are measuring small distances, you would use a small unit like the millimeter. However, you must remember that you can only convert a unit of length to another bigger or smaller unit of length. Let's take a look at an example. Our example asks us to express 3 meters in centimeters. So here the meter is the bigger unit and centimeter is the smaller unit. We also know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So we're going to use this to solve our problem. We then would know that if 1 meter equals 100 centimeters, then 3 meters would have to equal 3 times 100 centimeters, or 300 centimeters. So we can say here that 3 meters is equal to 300 centimeters. And what this means then is that a distance of 3 meters can be written as either 3 meters or it also can be written as 300 centimeters. In other words, the distance measured by 3 meters is the same as the distance measured by 300 centimeters. We are just using different units of measure to express the same distance. Let's take a look at another example. Our example asks us here to express 90 millimeters as centimeters. So in this case, we're going to be going from a smaller unit to a larger unit. And so, as we know from our information here, 10 millimeters is equal to 1 centimeter. And so I'm going to take my 90 millimeters that I'm working on converting over to centimeters, and I'm going to rewrite it by breaking it up into 9 times 10 millimeters. So 90 is equal to 9 times 10, so I've broken that up into 9 times 10 millimeters. Well, now I know that I can convert, or I can substitute 10 millimeters is equal to 1 centimeter. So here where I have this 10 millimeters, I'm going to substitute 1 centimeter there. So I have my 9 times, and instead of 10 millimeters, I'm going to say 1 centimeter. And so now I have the equivalent measurement here of 9 times 1, which is just 9, so 9 centimeters. And so I've expressed 90 millimeters by breaking it down to 9 times 10 millimeters and substituting 1 centimeter for 10 millimeters and converting to 9 centimeters. So 90 millimeters measures the same distance as 9 centimeters. In this example, we are asked to express 2 meters 30 centimeters as centimeters. So we are trying to convert this to centimeters. But the length is given using a mix of meters and centimeters. The 2 is given in meters. The 30 is given in centimeters. So how do we convert a mixed unit measurement? To convert a mixed unit measurement to 1 unit, you need to convert each part of the mixed unit separately and add the converted values together. So in this example, in order to be able to convert our measurement all over to centimeters, we first need to convert the 2 meters to centimeters, and then we'll add that to the centimeters that we have to get all of our measurement in centimeters. And so we know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So 2 meters is equal to 2 times 100 centimeters, or 200 centimeters. So we now have the 2 meters of our measurement converted to centimeters. 2 meters is equal to 200 centimeters. And so now all we need to do is add together our 200 centimeters plus the 30 centimeters from our measurement to get a total of 230 centimeters. So we have now converted the 2 meters to centimeters first, and then added that to the centimeters that we already had in the measurement to get our answer of 230 centimeters. We can convert more complex measurements too using this same method.